Hey guys, what is up? This is your favorite guy on your favorite YouTube channel, Tricks, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a demo account or a fake account. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into this. So first of all, open your browser and search Instagram, and right here is the first link, login Instagram. Just click on the first link, and all you gotta do is to click on sign up right at the bottom and click on sign up. Now you have to click on email option right here, and once you do that, you have to download an app from Play Store. So let's open our Play Store and download this app named Temp Mail. Download link is in the description as well. So let's click on this first option, and you have to install it and open it. So let me open this app. All you gotta do is to copy this email which it provides you. It gives you temporary emails which you can use to create fake accounts or demo accounts. So I'm gonna paste this right here and click on next. That's it. Now I'm going to enter my name, so I'm setting its name and password. So let's set a password. Now click on next. That is it. Now you need to click on next. If you want to change username, you can change it, otherwise you can click on next. Now there's an important point right here. You have to set a profile picture of a demo account, because if you don't set a profile picture, it will not work. So you have to set a profile picture and also post one photo on your profile. So let me post this photo. And that is it. Our fake account has been created, or whatever we can say. It's a demo account, so you can use this demo account to gain followers in different apps like fangenre and fanlift. So that is it for today. Goodbye, take care and stay blessed. Do subscribe this channel and do give it a thumbs up.